How to make a navy bean pie my way. Navy beans, heavy whipping cream, butter, light brown sugar, vanilla flavoring, cinnamon and cake spice seasoning. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using a fork, poke small holes into the bottom and sides of your pie crust. This is to ensure that the air circulates properly and your pie crust will remain flat while baking. Using your room temperature butter, add a layer to the bottom, sides, and top of your pie crust. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar and cake spice to the bottom of your pie crust. Bake your pie crust in the oven of 350 degrees for 10 minutes. When done, place your pie crust to the side and allow them to cool. Add your canned navy beans to a bowl or colander. Rinse several times with cold water until the water runs clear and the beans are clean. If you have a high-powered blender, please feel free to use your blender to complete the next steps. However, I will be completing the next steps the old school way. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Add your clean navy beans to a bowl. Using a fork or potato masher, firmly mash your navy beans until they begin to form a thick paste. Add your room temperature butter and mix until well blended. Now add your cane sugar and light brown sugar and mix until well combined and creamy. Add your canned milk and your heavy cream and continue mixing until well combined. Now add your vanilla and lemon flavoring and mix well. Add your cinnamon, nutmeg, and cake spice. At this point, you can taste and adjust your spices for your personal preference and mix well. Add your eggs, one at a time, and mix thoroughly. Make sure that there are no traces of the eggs that can be seen in your batter. Finally, add your flour, baking powder, and salt, and mix until well combined. If you are using a high-powered blender, please do not overmix your navy bean batter. Wrap the top of your pie crust with aluminum foil. This is to avoid any overbaking of your pie crust. Now add your sweet and creamy navy bean filling to your pie crust. Sprinkle the top of your navy bean pie with cinnamon sugar. Carefully place your pie into a 425-degree oven. Bake for 5 minutes. Then turn your heat down to 325 and bake your pies for 40 to 45 minutes. And here you have it, the decadent, sweet and creamy melt-in-your-mouth pie, flavored with vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, cake spice, and don't forget the heavy whipping cream and butter. No one would know that this pie was made out of navy beans. You have to give this recipe a try. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. Check out music producer MARQTHEINFINITE. Contact him through his Gmail and SoundCloud. And you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Until next time, bye guys.